Welcome to MSD Learning World. Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to achieve success. How to achieve or attain something, whatever we like, whatever we desire. So here I am going to share some of the things that I have did in my life to achieve everything whatever I want, to get everything whatever I like. Whatever I am going to tell now is not something very new. Everything would have come across these things, but you may not be aware of. Some of them may not be aware of, but you can do it to achieve your success. So let us see what are the things that I have done to achieve my success. Yeah, the first technique that I followed is paper therapy. It is a very simple technique. Whatever you want to be. Suppose you want to become a collector, you want to become a police officer, if you want to become a doctor, just write whatever you want to be, whatever your mind thinks. Just take a paper and write any number of times. At least daily you just write 50 to 60 to 100 number of times. You keep on writing it, because when you start writing, it will make up your mind to get boost up, and you started thinking about that. You will try to achieve it. Your mind follows that. So it was a very best method to achieve your success. I have done it in my life, throughout my life. Whatever I want, I started taking a paper and I will start writing it. Still I could remember the day I applied for my doctorate. Once the application was selected, from the day I started doing my PhD, I was writing my name with doctor. Still I remember it. I will take my paper, and in that paper I will at least daily I will at least write 20 times Dr. M. Shyamala Devi, Dr. M. Shyamala Devi, like that. So it will boost up our mind. That is what is the very best method. I have seen, I have even talked about this paper therapy to some of my friends. I have shared this point to some of my friends also, and they have did it and they have achieved it. So this is a very best technique. Hope you will do it. The second method is the water therapy. This is a method which I followed. Often I used to follow it. It is a very easy method. You just take a bowl and pour the bowl with full of water. Okay, you just pour 75% of the bowl with water. You take the bowl of water and just you see your face on the water. You could see your face. You could see your face very clearly. And you just tell everything whatever you want. Whatever you want to become. You just say. Usually when I see the bowl of water, I will say, wow, how beautiful you are. Yeah, I am so happy. My family is so happy. Everyone is so happy. I will achieve everything whatever I think. Yeah, I want to become a doctor. I want to become an engineer. I want to buy a house. Whatever you want, whatever your family members want, take a bowl of water and see your face on the water and tell everything whatever you want. I have did it. This is a very good therapy to achieve your success. Whatever your mind thinks, see your mind in the water and tell everything. Any number of times you tell. So this will energize your activities and sure you will achieve it. So hope I am expecting you to do it. The third method that I usually follow is reflection therapy. Daily I will do this method. It is a very famous method. I think you would have known it. But I don't know whether you have done it or not. But I want to share it. I like this method a lot. Daily you just stand up. When you get up, when you want to go for your job, after getting ready, just you spend 2 minutes to see your mirror. And you just tell whatever you want to achieve. That will be very nice. Usually when I am getting ready, after I am getting ready, before I go to college, I will always see the mirror and I will always tell something, whatever suddenly feels in my mind. I will say, wow, how beautiful I am. So I am very beautiful girl. So that will increase my confidence. Because of this confidence, I will be so active in my work. So many times my colleagues would have asked me, how you are so brisk and how you are very fastly walking. They will ask me, but the very best secret is that Daily morning I will see the mirror and I will tell how beautiful I am. I will do everything whatever I want. I will achieve everything whatever my mind thinks. So I will be getting more energizing and I will be doing everything with more activeness. So when we get full confidence, we will achieve everything. Confidence is must for everyone. So this confidence you can get it when you like yourself more. You should like yourself always. However you are, you should always think you are much beautiful in the world. That will increase your confidence. So this reflection therapy, whatever your mind thinks and whatever you desire, you just see the mirror and you just start telling any number of times. See the mirror. First start loving yourself. Start liking yourself. Admire you. That is very much important. You have to admire yourself because it will increase your confidence. I think you will surely do it. Yeah, the next method is focus. If you want to achieve success, you must have complete focus on that, complete attention on that. Whatever the activities you do, you must do it with the full eye contact, with the full focus on that. You should focus all the activities that are following your desires. You should focus up your mind with your liking, with your aim. This is a very best method to achieve your success. Full focus. If you have focus, you will surely achieve it. I want to tell you something. How I achieved so many things with my full focus and attention. How I made my mind to be focused on a particular thing. Yeah, I had a first baby, boy baby. When I had a boy baby, I was telling to my husband that I should keep my father-in-law name to my first son. That moment somehow I couldn't do it. You know, keeping baby's name is not only the decision of the mother. Hope you understand. Yeah. So I could not do it for my first baby. I could not keep my father-in-law name. But I respect my in-laws. I love them a lot. This was completely in my mind. I was making up my mind to be fully focused. I want a baby. I want a boy baby, and for that boy baby I need to keep my father-in-law name. This was my complete full desire. I was thinking it from the day I got my pregnancy. Then after 6 years I got second pregnancy. That moment itself, from the day I got the confirmation, I thought I have decided completely I should get a boy baby and I should keep my father-in-law name. But the thing is, I was not getting any symptom that I had for my first baby. My husband, my mother and my father, everybody told, you are completely different, you are not equal as you were in the first pregnancy. I was not getting any symptom. But after my delivery, you know, my mind is fully focused. Before when I getting my sleep, after when I woke up, every time I will be keeping on inside. I will be keeping on telling myself, I should compulsorily keep my father-in-law name. I want a boy baby. Then after some time, after by the 6th month or 7th month, I decide I am not having any symptom. Okay, let it be a girl baby. Even if it is a girl baby, okay, let me keep my mother-in-law name. Somehow I was deciding like this, but however my mind is fully focused on my father-in-law. Yeah, still I could remember each day. I will think. But after delivery, you know, I was surprised. I was completely surprised. My husband was telling me, you got second baby also to be a boy baby. The moment I heard this from doctor and my husband, I told my husband, I want to keep my father-in-law name. Please, you never give any opinion. This is decided one. I must keep my father-in-law name. That is what is the power of focus, power of the desire, attention. When you start your mind to be focused on something, your mind, that will be registered in your subconscious mind. That will make everything to happen, whatever you like. Yeah. My second son name is Tarun Velayudham. Velayudham is my father-in-law name. I like him a lot. See, when you want something, you keep everything in your mind. You fully focus on that. Focus and attention is a powerful tool to achieve whatever you want. you can do anything. You can do wonders in the world with the full focus and attention. Even my mother often used to say to me, if you start focusing on something, Shyamala, sure you will achieve it. Still, I will have complete focus and attention if I start doing any activity. So hope if you want to get success, have a complete focus. Have your complete focus and attention towards what you want. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.